Picture yourself in the 2021 Chevrolet Colorado. With less than 60,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Get the job done in sleek and sporty style in the versatile Colorado, the midsize pickup that has the amenities and technology to keep you safe, comfortable, and connected. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, four-wheel drive, premium sound system, satellite radio, backup camera, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, alarm, steering wheel audio controls. Don't miss out on comfort just because you need a pickup. Get the best of both worlds in the Colorado.